If you want to improve your English skill, you must be follow 3 rules. That is very effective. Just follow me these 3 rules every day. Your English will be very improved day by day. So I'm just say with you 3 rules. First of all, you must be reading newspaper. That is very effective for improve your English skill. And second, you must be listen English podcast. That is very effective for improving your English skill. And third, you must be write 1 page English. That is very effective for improving your English skill. If you maintain these 3 type of tricks every day, 1 month later you will be notice your improvement. So just follow 3 rules and improve notice your English skill. So best of luck.